morning, Vanilla. My name is D. Santosh. I am pursuing MTech in Gogaraja Rangaraju Institute of Technology. I have completed my project on positive buck boost converter under the guidance of PM Sharma. So, this is the simulation circuit. It divided into two parts. It is a converter circuit and this is a controller circuit. Controller circuit gives the pulses to the MOSFETs. When pulses are given to the MOSFET 1, it acts as a buck converter. When the pulses are given to the MOSFET 2, it acts as a boost converter. When the voltage of the battery is more than the output reference voltage, the converter operates as a buck converter. The output voltage of the battery is less than the output reference voltage. The converter operates as a boost converter. Coming to the hardware setup, the circuit consisting of two MOSFETs. In buck boost operating mode, always two MOSFETs, two diodes are switching in the circuit. A positive buck boost converter can operate as a buck converter by controlling switch Q1 and diode D1 when Q2 is off and D2 is conducting. It is also work as a boost converter by controlling switch Q2 and diode D2 while Q1 is on and D2 is not conducting. When the voltage of the battery is more than the output reference voltage, the converter operates as a buck converter. The voltage of the battery is less than the output reference voltage, the converter operates as a boost converter. Advantage of the converter is that output of such a converter is always positive. The hardware is implemented using the Arduino coding is dumping into the Arduino UNO and the pulses are generated from the coding. Here pins 0, 1 are used for the pulses. The pulses are given into the MOSFET and the operation performs. These are the output waveforms of the positive buck boost converter.